Check out na namin guys. Tapos diretso kami sa Sky Bridge. Tapos ano pa, dalawang location pa. Okay, see you there. Okay guys, gusto nyo na bang umuwi?
No. Can we stay forever?
Ayaw magsipag-uwi.
Ito lang problema ko.
Kailangan siya ng pamilya niya.
Ito lang problema ko. Lagi ako taga-buhat.
Ako din oh. Dalawa din.
Oo nga pala no.
Nag-asawa kayo ng Disney.
Hindi, mayroon makasama.
Okay guys, konting ikot lang para makita ang view. Konting ikot guys. Pare, ganda ng view. Yan, nilahila na kayo.
Thank you, Ethno Complex.
Yes!
Shout out to Bijan.
Shout out to Bijan.
Dito na tayo sa Sky Bridge guys, pero kailangan pa nating akyatin kasi nandun siya sa pinakatuktok. Yun, kung nakikita nyo, yun. Susubukan natin kung kaya nating kawarin ang Sky Bridge.
Spare no also.
Ah, yes.
One no. Okay. Just kidding.
Ayan na po, i-cross na namin ang Sky Bridge. Ayan na po, sobrang taas po ng Sky Bridge. Sa isa lang, baka ano tayo dyan. Wow, na-achieve natin. Pero malapit lang yan. Ito na oh. Kasi yung daan ng sasakyan mas malayo pa. Ano, kaya pa? Akyat tayo dun sa tuktok ng Sky Bridge. Ano guys? Kaya pa?
Kaya.
Yan guys. Malapit na tayo. Tatawirin. Pagod ng mga friends. Ayan na ang ating mga kasama. Si paring J Mark. Pagod na pagod. Kaya pa?
Nakakatakot pala.
Go for the gold!
Huwag tayong kitingin sa gilitan pa. Pababa.
Hindi, huwag tayo
Saan?
Stop first, stop!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And guys, after ng Sky Bridge, kailangan pa daw kaming may akyatin. Buti na lang mayroon ng steps dito. At masaya kami kasi nag-propose si paring J Mart kay Maring Alma sa gitna ng Sky Bridge. Congrats guys!
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Kasi parang dyan tumutulas yung sapatos.
Bababa na kami guys. Tapos na ang ating
Mission.
mission accomplished actually.
Mission accomplished ba kami?
Mari said yes. Ayan na sila. Pero ang problema, dadaan pa rin kami dun sa tuloy. May tao sa baba oh. Nandun sa falls.
Yeah, by the way, it is the pigeon waterfall.
Ah. Yun pa yung mga kasama natin guys. Di pa nakakababa. Yung sapatos kasi nila walang ano, spike. Ayan. Doon kami galing. Doon sa tuktok. Hello guys. Ito, na-stranded po tayo. Ito yung mga kaibigan natin. Yung sasakyan natin kasi umusok. Kaya magpapalit daw tayo ng sasakyan.
Что-то, короче, Сус открыть взяли.
Yan. Nasiraan kami. Wala pa yung rescue. Kaya ito muna trip namin. Dahil nasiraan, uuno muna. Hello guys!
Sali ka na?
Hindi, kayo lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-uno eh. Ah, pare.
Nakita ako yan.
Sige, sige, okay lang.
О, бля. Все. Все, скинуть, а кончакай на.
Alisher,
This is for you!
Plus 4.
Hi guys, wala pa yung sundo natin. Andito pa rin tayo sa malapit sa Sky Bridge. Ayan guys, say hi!
Hi!
Mag-uuno muna tayo.
Ito may bundok.
Nakita.
Yun, sunlight to. Ay, sunlight.
Baka dito tayo makakapag-sunset ah. Baka dito tayo mag-sunset.
Who wants?
No.
Last dinner namin guys dito sa Kyrgyzstan.
Hello guys. Ito na ba reception sa ano? Sa pagkain.
Alisher, this is the best for me.
It's called chuchuk. Chuchuk. Yeah.
It's like,
It's very good.
yeah.
Ang tapang ito nga.
Diba? Let's put dito.
Tikman natin guys yung horse meat.
Yung sinabi mo kanina. Lapit na.
Sarap ba?
Parang pata. And ano yun?
Papa.
Yes?
Nakain niya.
Ito yata yung yak.
Yeah.
Ito yung horse meat.
Ano to?
Ito. Yan, ito. Meat. Ano daw itong kunain mo?
Yak. Yung parang baka din siya na wild. Wild siya.
Yeah, first of all, yeah, I want to congratulate you guys. And you guys also, thank you very, very much for your today's help with the Alma and Jay's occasion, and also for your patience. I'm really very sorry for what happened today. We changed it, needed to change the plan. You see, sometimes it happens, and we're still lucky that we are not so far ahead, probably. But I'm a little bit upset that we lost our couple of hours. We could not make our whole activities like cable car, super too. But maybe next time.
Yes. There's a lot of next time.
Yes. I'm really, really happy having you here, guys. Appreciate your all support, all your kindness. Thank you very, very much for being so supportive today as well. Yeah, for playing Uno, for Jeff separately giving me +8 plus. So, cheers for you.
Cheers to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Thank you, Alicia.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Biyan daw yung kidati natin. Galing daw dito yan. Dati na lang kami before and after.
Everything is organic, everything is made of rock.
Maganda stone house natin. Stone house. Pero may lamig yan.
This one from Big.
This one you're for playing?
Yes.
How? Like that?
You just make throw it. Roll or throw, yes.
I thought it's like abacus.
This ball for also use
That ball?
yeah.
That's for the we call it palyasi.
We have also some like this.
Very
And they are using
Yes.
the kahoy.
Grabe no. Kaya nakapag-alaga ng isda doon? Ha? Kaya nakapag-alaga ng isda. How about this water?
It's also
From the river? Baka mo napakalamig. The river din daw yan.
Ayan, ganda. Ano yan? Sunflower ba yan?
No, real. Hi guys, finally nandito na kami sa hotel namin. After mag-travel from province, ito, nakabalik na kami. Thank you guys, see you tomorrow again.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.